Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? Let's have a look, guys. So, look, I wanted to play out how I think that the rest of this market cycle is going to kind of, you know, play out and where we are and all that kind of stuff. So, you guys can have a general idea of kind of where my mind is at, okay? So, let's have a look here. And we even have the timeline down below here, okay? So, this is as per tech dev, right? So, credit to tech dev for the chart. So as we can see, guys, feels we're heading right into the bear trap part of the cycle, which I agree with, right? Fairly substantial dip into a correction. Bears think we're going down into a bear market. You're starting to see a lot of people starting to say, oh, bull market's over, blah, 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 right? Perfect example of a bear trap, right? People are going to start shorting like crazy. And what happens to all those shorts? Liquidated, just like that, right? That's a bear trap. So that's where we are right now. Eventually, we're going to see that. We'll probably run back up between 62 and 65K, somewhere around here, maybe a little higher, maybe close to 70. And we'll see renewed optimism in the market, okay? People will start to say, okay, so maybe we're not, right? This is where people will start to buy, which is sad because they should be buying down here, right? And I just realized you can't even see my cursor, right? But you see where it says bear trap. So, and then we're at renewed optimism now, right? So, oh, there we go. Now you can see my cursor. Perfect. Okay. So, bear trap down here, renewed optimism right here. Okay. Like I said, people should be buying down here, but they will start to realize and buy here that we were not heading down into a bear market. Okay. And then as we run up, we'll see Bitcoin smash through 100K, most likely. And then we'll start to see FOMO. We'll start to see retail start to pour in, guys. It's going to be everywhere, all over the news and stuff like that. People will start getting in. Everyone is long except me, he says, right? So everyone starts longing because they know what's happening, right? And then, like I said, retail starts to pour in. Price starts to skyrocket. We get up to euphoria. And at this point, guys, this is where we start to see, the jobbers or the shillers. You'll start to see people like BitBoy and Wendy-O and stuff like that, and they'll start telling you it's a super cycle and Bitcoin's going to $1 million. They'll start telling you not to sell, just like they did in the last bull run, right? You'll start to see that from the bigger content creators. They'll start to say that, and they'll tell you not to sell. They'll, just like in the last bull run, guys, we had, BitBoy was telling everybody that, don't sell your Cardano when it was at its top. He said it's going to $10. It went to like $3.80 something cents and then crashed down to a bear market. So when you start seeing that happen, people telling you don't sell, it's going higher, super cycle, that's when you should be selling. Do not take the advice of those people. Take your profits. That's why I tell you guys, don't look at timelines, look at price targets, okay? You should be dollar cost averaging out of the market at certain price points, right? When you've made the amount of money that your goal is, or close to your goal of what you want to make, and try to make your target realistic, right? That's when you should leave. Do not, once you start to let greed take over, that's when you end up down here, shot across the bow. Okay, now you're down from where you were, but people start saying, it's just a little pullback. It's just a correction, right? It's just this, it's just that. Bull run's not over, super cycle, dollar cost average, right? Which is what you should be doing down here, okay? But you're way up here, right up here, okay? Then, boom, bull trap, right? We get our bull trap. Again, everyone starts scooping up. They start buying that dip like crazy. We get a lower high, right? People think, oh, yay, okay, see, it was. People bought here, see, we're okay. And then, boom, you get your first breakdown. Begins the deflation phase, confirming change in trend, right? And you'll still have some people telling you it's not over around here. You'll still have people telling you that, right? Meanwhile, you should have got out here, or at the very least here at the shot across the bow, right? Then we crash further down. fear and capitulation, right? People missed out. Now we're back down to around, where we were over here, right? You've missed this entire thing if you've held through. And now you're down here. Crowd psychology turns pessimistic. Sellers show big time. People start selling like crazy, panic selling. They know we're headed towards the bear market at this point, and then which causes an even further massive collapse. Okay. And then we see a little bit of choppiness here, bottom fishing, value buyers and residual sellers battle it out. So we'll see choppiness in a downward trajectory till we get down to the bottom of despair and end of the bear, right? All hopes are lost. Residual selling dries up, and we are in the bottom of the bear market. So that's how things are likely going to play out here, guys. You have to be attuned to what is going on, or you will either sell too early here at FOMO, or you will not sell in time near the top, and you will end up down here somewhere, right? So you got to be in tune to the market, guys. You got to know what's going on. That is how I see things playing out. Let me know what you guys think. As always, guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Guys, click the join button if you want to support the channel. If you want to be a part of our community, there's well over 300 people there now. We're there to help with your portfolio, all that fun stuff and more. And if you want one-on-one coaching sessions, guys, jump over to the Patreon. My spots are booking up very, very quickly over there, so do not miss out on those. We're booking up coaching sessions, one-on-one video calls. And we're also doing technical analysis training courses over there as well. So do not miss out on those either. Follow me on X. Once again, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the moon.